In this video, I will show you how to change the Google Maps language to English. I'll go over how to do it on PC, iPhone, and Android. Now first, if you are on iPhone, it's a bit different from the other two. If you're on an iPhone, what you have to do is open up the Settings app, and from within Settings, scroll to the bottom of the home page and click Apps. And here, just gonna search for Google Maps and select it, and then at the bottom go to Preferred Language, and then just gonna set it to English. And now you'll see that my app is now also in English. Now if you're on Android, what you'll have to do is in the top right click on your profile picture, and then from there go to Settings, and then at the top it will say App Language. Now if they change it, then it could also be under Preferences, under Using Maps, or really anywhere right here, but you will find the language somewhere in here if you're on Android. If you're on PC, on Google Maps, just go to the top left and click on the three lines, and from there you can also click Change Language. So now you know how to change the Google Maps language to English. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.